At Craven Community College's Havelock Campus, opportunity takes flight. Whether you're preparing for a high-demand career, transferring to a university, or earning a 4-year engineering degree, the Havelock Campus offers hands-on programs that are designed to help you succeed. The Havelock Campus serves both military and civilian students with flexible, customized courses guided by industry standards. With classes offered during the day, evenings, weekends, online, and on base, students can balance education with work, family, and service, all while earning credentials that matter. The Havelock Campus is home to Craven's Institute of Aeronautical Technology, where students train for careers in one of the region's most in-demand industries. The Aviation Systems Technology program focuses on the critical role of aircraft maintenance, giving students hands-on experience working with both military and civilian aircraft. Students learn to inspect, repair, and maintain aircraft systems from nose to tail, while building the technical skills required in today's aviation workforce. As they progress, students become eligible to test for Federal Aviation Administration airframe and power plant certifications. These valuable credentials open the door to careers with airlines, manufacturers, repair stations, and government aviation operations. Here, you'll also find a truly unique opportunity through our exclusive partnership with NC State University. Students can earn an ABET-accredited Bachelor of Science in Engineering with concentrations in mechanical or electrical engineering systems, without ever leaving the Havelock campus. This program is housed in our state-of-the-art STEM Center, where students complete hands-on design projects, learn from professional engineers, and gain real-world experience. If you are planning to transfer, the Havelock campus offers associate degrees in arts, science, and engineering, all preparing you to move easily into a 4-year university. Many students complete their degree in as few as 3 semesters before transferring as juniors. In addition to degree programs, the Havelock campus offers short-term workforce training that is designed to help students quickly gain new skills or certifications. These hands-on programs support career readiness in aviation, manufacturing, healthcare, and skilled trades. As a military-friendly campus near Marine Corps Air Station Cherry Point, Craven provides dedicated advising, financial aid support, and programs that are designed specifically for active duty service members, veterans, and their families. Here are some of the programs currently offered on our Havelock campus. From aviation technology and engineering to university transfer and workforce training, the Craven Community College Havelock Campus offers the pathways and support to help you reach your goals. Learn more at CravenCC.edu/Havelock.